Hello everyone, I'm Hajime Suzuki of RX Japan, the organizer of Manufacturing World Japan. I'm now here at Tokyo Big Sight, the venue of Manufacturing World Tokyo. This time the show has doubled its size comparing with last year. The current Manufacturing World Japan consists of 9 specialized exhibitions: the Mechanical Components and Materials Technology Expo, Aerospace Technology Expo, Medical Device Development Expo, Measure Test Sensor Expo, 3D Virtual Reality Expo, Industrial AI IoT Expo, Design Engineering and Manufacturing Solutions Expo, Additive Manufacturing Expo, and Factory Facilities and Equipment Expo. This movie today introduces exhibitors at Industrial IoT and IoT Expo, Design Engineering and Manufacturing Solutions Expo, Measure Test Sensor Expo, Additive Manufacturing Expo, and Factory Facilities and Equipment Expo. The other exhibitions were featured in yesterday's video, so if you haven't seen it yet, please watch the other one. So let's move on to the venue. So everyone in the exhibition hall must wear a mask, and also you have to sanitize your hands and also do a temperature check.
お手持ちの入場者バッジで現在東ホールで開催しているすべての
So now, in this section, we have picked up the latest solutions for digital transformation and various technologies to improve the productivity for manufacturing industry. If you have interest in any of the exhibitors featured in this stream and would like to exchange the contact details, please submit the inquiry form using the chat box on the right or the link or the QR in the abstract at the bottom of this web page. Okay, now let me take you to the first exhibitor's booth. Toshiba Digital Solutions. Toshiba's IoT, AI, and ICT solutions business will be presenting its AI image automated inspection packages. Hello, thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
So, could you tell me about your products today?
Toshiba AI Visual Inspection Package is a software-based product to automate surface inspection. It is using images to detect surface defects and the task capabilities of AI learning and inspection.
I see. So, what are your advantages compared to your competitors?
Unlike deep learning method, which requires a large number of images of both defective and non-defect products, we used only the images of non-defect products with Toshiba's proprietary technology that can complete model learning within a short time and improve the inspection accuracy to reduce the false detection.
I see. So, could you tell me some case studies or industry applications?
Okay. Actual use cases including welding inspection of automotive parts and surface inspection of materials and also the printing inspection of drug tablets.
And are your products also sold overseas?
Yes, currently we have customers in Europe, Spain, and South Korea. We also have it available in China and Thai, and will expand to other markets.
I see. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
はい、次は日本製鋼技研さん。
NSK will introduce cloud-based software that can virtualize shop floor operations in the manufacturing industry and improves productivity. Please introduce the products you're exhibiting this time. This is a tool software that can be used for improvement activities by work members and the product name is Time Prism. There are manufacturers who have various workplaces, and there are places that actually conduct improvement activities, and this is software that can be used in such places and used by people on site. Can you tell us about the advantage of this software compared to the other companies? The best thing about this product it is operability and output, and the post-introduction support. The price is kept very low because we want people on site to use the system. Those are our strengths. Regarding the system itself, do you have any specific case studies or recommendation for its use? There are many ways to use the system, but for first of all, the large number of cases in the past 14 years have been in the automobile industry. We have introduced the system to all Japanese car manufacturers, cars, electricity, machinery. Recently, we have been focusing on science and cosmetics, logistics, and so on. We are using it in all manufacturing and non-manufacturing industries where it needs the improvement activities on site. Regarding other products, do you sell to overseas customers as well? I am a member of the overseas business department, and we currently have sales partners in 14 locations in 9 countries. I also travel to Europe, other places, but I'm based in Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and India, and in addition to these 9 countries. Okay, thank you very much.
Terabyte, a software engineering company providing CAE analysis software used worldwide. Hello. Could you introduce me about your product today?
Okay. This is anybody, a software's name, anybody, and which is musculoskeletal analysis software. And firstly, you measure the human motion by using a motion capture system like that, and to calculate the force, actual force loading to human muscle or joint. Okay, so when are you using, for instance, robot wearing robot, then how this robot will help the load on the human body, you can calculate with anybody's system.
I see. Could you tell me about your advantage of your products?
Okay, it is very, very difficult to measure the actual load value and happening on in vivo inside the human body, but you can calculate that value by this motion capture technology and simulation technology. Then you can see the actual value precisely. So it's a very big advantage for it.
I see. Could you tell me about some application examples?
Okay, this is applicable for many industrial products, such as automotive or sports device, sports tool, or clothes, and working tool, or medical or assist robot, and so on.
I see. And is this product sold internationally?
Yes, this is developed in Denmark, and we are a distributor in Asia Pacific. So many users exist in Asia region and North America, of course Europe, and Asia. And we have a number of users in worldwide. Yes.
I see. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
はい、次はネイチャーアーキテクトさんです。この企業さんはメタマテリアルの設計技術 DFM を
Next
活
up
用
is
して
Nature Architects. This company utilizes DFM, a materials design technology, to DX and update design for all manufacturing industries.
今回我々3つのソリューション
Can you introduce us what you're exhibiting this time?
我々はその設計
We are exhibiting three solutions. We are a company that provides design support in various
いろん
areas.
な設計の支
The
援を
first
行って
is design solution for components that facilitates construction. We shorten delivery times and we provide it at lower cost.
ここで見えているのはちょっとよくわからない造形物だと思うんですけど、これ建築の
So what you see here is a formative object that may be difficult to comprehend, but it is an architectural exterior wall. Complex modeling of the exterior usually requires a lot of work, including the use of welding and the manual labor of craftsmen.
穴開け加工
This, however, is a component that can be easily used to build such modeling simply by drilling and slitting holes from a flat
な
plate.
のでもうちょっと具体的
This
な
kind of an eye catcher, so let's look at more specific
具材を
components.
見ていくと、もうこれは単純に建築の内装の曲がった壁を平面か
So
ら
this is a component that can be transferred into any shape by simply bending a curved wall of an architectural interior from the flat surface. Traditionally, curved walls and curved architectural interiors are built usually welding or by hands by craftsmen. However, we provide components that are already somewhat fabricated in a flat state, allowing us to go to the site and install them with a single touch. This one will be similar. You will see complex modeling such as Architecture Expo and building walls in various boutiques. They usually use a lot of welding to create complex shapes like this one. However, we components that can be constructed and realized in a short period of time without use of welding. Can you tell us what specific applications? As a concrete application, our materials were used in the expo of the shared office called Inspired. Are you selling those products to service to overseas companies?
海外はまだなんですけど、こういう自由な造形を持つ建築物っていうのは、まあヨーロッパであったり、
We are not selling these products overseas yet, but I think there is a market and application for this kind of free-form architecture, which is often built in Europe, China, and Middle East.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
でこっちも行きますか。時間的尺的に大丈夫
Okay,
今度はガラリと変わって、
so let's go for the next one.
熱を制
So
御
the
する
next
設計
one
の
is different to the others. It is design solution service that control heat.
暖かい空気を冷たくする、冷たい
For
空気を
example,
暖
air
かくするとい
conditioners
うか
have heat exchangers inside its unit to cool warm the air and warm cold air.
でそういったものを 3D プリンターの金属
By using the metal 3D printer, it will be more efficient for heat exchangers with less energy loss. We show that here. As you can see, this kind of design is a very complicated modeling object, so it is very difficult to know how to design it and what kind of design is optimal.
でそういったところに我々が設計の支援をすることによって
So our design assistants will support to help them design a model optimal structure. Cannot mention their company name at the moment, but we are currently in discussion with a major company in Japan that use heat exchangers to install.
で3つ目これもガラリと変わって今度は振動を効率よく伝える
And the third one is also different from others. This one is design solution that efficiently transmit or suppress vibration. Vibration products around us is including game controllers, for example.
でゲームのコントローラーって、まあ、キャラクターが、まあ、敵を倒した時とか何かにぶつかった時とかにブルッ
So
と
the
振
game
動するようにできるんですけ
controllers
ど
vibe
その振動を
when a character defeats an enemy or hits something, and this solution is designed to generally improve the efficiency of these vibration and amplitude and transmit them. Our controller design allows the vibration of the oscillators inside to be more amplified and transmitted to the user. By doing so, we can reduce the power of consumption by less than half, and by transmitting the vibration with more amplification, and we can transmit the vibration with higher definition and solution.
Scene introduces browser-based 3D documentation software for factory workers featuring user-friendly and intuitive operations. So thank you for your time today.
It's my pleasure.
Yes, could you introduce me about your products today?
Sure. So it's a browser-based software for making assembly manuals using the 3D CAD files. So let me give you a small demo. So it's just like PowerPoint. First, you create a new document and then upload your existing 3D CAD file. Right? And once you load the file, you'll have something like this. From here, just like PowerPoint, you add a new slide, and suppose, let's say we want to remove one of these balls here. You go and select the balls and change the color. Add another one more slide, and this time we're going to remove these balls. And now we're going to hide it. Now using these few simple steps, we have created an animated document for showing how to remove these balls. So apart from this animation, we'll be able to add rich text, and let's say we can show the model number here. And along with that, we can also add images to show what tools we want to use in this particular procedure. Right. Now, if we go with this flow and spend probably let's say 30 minutes or something, we can create a document like this with detailed information, step-by-step guiding on how to assemble or deassemble a product. So that's a brief explanation of a scene. And lastly but not least, once the document is ready, all you have to do is just copy the URL and then send this URL over email or chat to the person who you want to share this file with.
I see. And also, may I also know if your products is also sold internationally?
Yes, we have a couple of customers, one in France and one in Spain. I think for the time being, at least for this year, we focused on expanding in Japan. But next year, we want to work with customers in the United States and North America. Yes.
I see. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Panasonic Industry. Motion controllers and various sensors useful in the field of inspection and measurement are exhibited. Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Could you introduce me about your exhibits today?
Yes, we are now presenting a servo driver and motors which can receive the analog signals from sensors. This demonstration shows that the distance from the work from the work to the sensor is regulated at 50 millimeters, very precisely.
I see. Okay. Could you tell me about the advantages and also the features of your products?
Okay. Please see the diagram. The sensor signal from will be sent to the driver directly, so you don't need to the analog unit. So you can realize the very simple system structure, hardware, and also you don't need to make any program to realize this control block. So software in the controller will be also simplified, and also the sensor signals transfer time will be minimized. So you can realize the very precise and real-time wise control systems.
I see. Could you also let me know about the application examples?
Application example. Okay. First of all, these products are used for, first of all, laser processing machine and automatic dispenser and any other semiconductor equipment as well. And also, you can use this product for the film sending machine to reduce and eliminate the meandering of the work.
I see. Could you let me know if this product is sold internationally?
Yes, we have many distributors, Eastern Asia like China, Taiwan, Korea, and also Europe and even US. So we can sell these products globally.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
Octi Polymer, a polymer solution expert company offering rubber and resin molded products in a variety of materials and molding methods. Hello, thank you for your time today.
Thank you. Hello.
Could you introduce you about your exhibit today?
It's okay. So at first, this is the world's first 3D printer. This printer can use the real pure silicon rubber. So, and conventional 3D printer only use the silicon rubber-like material, but this printer is using the real silicon rubber, so you can print it the product that can have the same characteristic of silicon rubber product. This printer can be used for confirmation of shape or the characteristic of prototype before manufacturing the die, and also like the medical use, you can make the small quantity customized products. Feels like this one. Another product is our original material for MEX 3D printer called HP Filament Super Flexible Type. Comparing the traditional material such as PLA or ABS, this can make the really flexible rubber-like products by 3D printer. This can be also used for confirmation of rubber product shape, compression load before making the manufacturing die. Also, our material can be used for so many types of 3D printer, not only the one printer. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This company will introduce industrial tools such as air tools, electric tools, abrasives, and advanced tools, which are very useful for improving efficiency of faculty lines. Could you tell us about your product? Our company was founded in 2013, and this year marks our 10th year. Until now, we mainly dealt with overseas companies, but starting this year, we are focusing on sales in Japan. What we are introducing are tools that are out of the ordinary. Our motto is to change the faculty line, and we always try to achieve something new. Among the things we are working on now is a conventional tool like this. By preparing several interchangeable tip sides, work that would conventionally require multiple tools can be finished with only one tool, which has main body and multiple lightweight tips. It can be done with a single touch. This reduces the weight by about 40% compared to the weight of the traditional tools in our company. This can also be changed between an angled type and a straight type. Also, with this structure, it is easy to replace the tools. Although this is currently being used with a 6V shaft, it can also be used with a 3V shaft, making it an excellent product. We are currently developing this product with emphasis on safety and durability, and will start selling it in this fall. Next are the electric tools. This one is reasonably priced. The decision to open or close the lever can be transmitted wirelessly to acquire data. It is possible to manage the data, including the time when the lever was closed, and who closed it, and with which tool. It can sense information via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and enables to manage regular tooling. It is more reasonably priced than the expensive multi-million yen tools from car manufacturers. Also, this is a conventional air tool. Since we are selling it in Japan, we are changing all the colors to blue and separating all the tools for overseas and domestic use. Now please take a look at this flap disc at the tip and the carbide rotary bar. This carbide rotary bar has a special coating called blue coating. Although the price is a little higher than conventional products, it is a profitable product because the service life is more than 10 times longer than conventional product.
Next up is Blue Star R&D, the deburring equipment which generates the world's most powerful ultrasonic waves. It's widely used by companies all over the world. Can you explain what products you're exhibiting this time? We're exhibiting a powerful water-based deburring and cleaning machine. Now I turn on the switch. Radiate powerful ultrasonic waves into a cold water, then a vacuum bubble with a diameter of about 10 mm is formed in this water. And when it generates or disappears, a strong shock wave is repeatedly generated around it, more than 40,000 times per second. The shock wave deburs the precision machines parts in this water. Metal, plastic, and ceramics forms 1 to 10,000 can be deburred and cleaned at the same time. The biggest feature is that it uses water to remove the burrs, so unnecessary consumables are not generated. It is very environmentally friendly and produces no waste. There is no need to re-clean as traditional conventional deburring method. Best thing is that anyone can use it. It doesn't require any skills. It doesn't pollute the environment. It doesn't produce waste, and that sort of stuff. What kind of field is this product applied to? It started all with the automotive parts, then electronic components, semiconductor components, and now increasingly used in medical and surgery area. As long as processing exists in any field, there will be delivering, so this is where they used to. Are these products sold overseas as well? We are currently supplying our products to 13 countries around the world, including US, Asia countries, Turkey, Portugal, France, Hungary, and so on. Last month, we launched a website in 14 languages, and we are now aiming for the worldwide sales. Thank you very much.
If you have interest in any of the exhibitors featured in the stream and would like to exchange contact details, please submit the inquiry form now using the chat box on the right or the link or QR in the abstract at the bottom of this web page. Also, if you'd like to watch this video again, please refresh the website as the recording will be available after this session. The next Manufacturing World will be held in Osaka in October 2022, Nagoya in April 2023, here at Tokyo Big Sight in June 2023, and in Fukuoka in December 2023. Manufacturing World is held 4 times a year. And next time, I'm happy to welcome you physically to be coming here at this venue. Thanks for watching today, and see you next time.